are going to learn about Claude Skills. What is a skill and what skill.md looks like. We are going to explore all the things, and in this video I will be showing you the demo that how can you create a Claude skill, because see, this is very important feature that they have given in a Claude. So we have to understand in easiest way possible. Like my main goal was to make this topic very easy for you to understand. Okay, so let's go ahead. So what is a Claude skill? First understand this thing. So see, many people thinks like Claude skills are some kind of a programming or AI models, but they are not actually. I think like a Claude skill is simply a way to teach Claudes, how to perform a particular task in a consistent manner or in a repeatable way. So instead of writing the same long prompt every time, we create a skills once, okay? And the Claude remember the workflow that we have given, and whenever it needs to perform that task, we can do it. So we will also learn about the file called skill.md, which is where this instruction are stored. So I hope you completely understand what is Claude skill. Now this is a format that you have to completely understand. First is a name, then it's a description when Claude should use this skill. Okay. So again, skill is kind of I can say set of instruction that teaches Claude how to complete a specific task. Okay. So this is all about the format which you need to understand. Two parts, two jobs. Okay, Markdown content and front page. So let's do the practical, and I will show you the demo that how you can actually do this. So without wasting time, I will go to my system. Right. So yeah, we are at here. So how you have to completely do? You have to first open the Claude in your system. After that, you have to click on the customization where you will see the section called skills. You have to click on it. I have already made a SEO content auditor. Okay, where you have to paste the complete things basically that what description you want and the things that you have to completely paste here. Okay, once it will get done, then what you need to do, I'll just do this thing. You have to tell, like you have to use slash skill creator. Now using this get me the SEO. So this is what I have did for the old website. But let me do you for you, or like let me do the things for you. Okay. Okay. So I will simply write this, and I will write SEO content auditor. So it will show here. I will click on here. Now I want to analyze this website. Okay, and I will simply copy this URL of this website. Simple. Control C, and you can completely see. Okay. When I just simply click on the enters, what it will start analyzing this thing. Okay. It will analyze the whole complete website, and it will show where we have to improve, and it will show the title and meta description, heading structure, everything that is very important for SEO. It will completely show. You can completely consider, and it will show all the things that we need to know. Okay, so this is a very best feature that I think in the Claude. You can simply create any skills, and you can perform any task that you want. So I think this is the best thing that the Claude has provided. So okay, so you can analyze the different website. This is what I have built for the SEO content auditor. In the same way, you can do in your domain or whatever you want, because Claude skill is something that you can do for anything. Okay, this is what I have did for the SEO part. I hope you got my point. So this is how you have to completely go. Okay, so let's go ahead without wasting time. I hope you completely understanding the things, right? Markdown file which I have completely covered. So yeah, let's understand this thing. Front matter and markdown content. Okay, these both are very important things. So see, front matters is all about what I can say is like its job is to tell Claude when to use this skill, the trigger condition and context. Okay, and the markdown content is all about, I can say, many people think skill are stored inside the AI, but actually it's not. But they are simply stored inside the markdown, like it's called an .md file. Example, this is a normal text heading, and there are 2 points. Okay, so I have covered this thing. Okay,
Front matters is what I have completely discussed. Markdown content I have already covered. So if you still haven't understood, let me give you the brief. Okay. So what is called in front matter? See, there are two things that is included: name and description. So if these two things are included, then we can call it a front matter. But in the other case, like what it will do, just let me give you the idea. So it tells Claude when should I use this skill, okay? Not how should I do it, okay? Only what should I activate. This is what it will tell in a front matter, whether name and description are included. And the second one is called the markdown content. Here, the steps would be simple, like the workflow is very simple. Step one is like it will read the article. Step two is like it will checking the headings. Step three is all about checking the keywords, and step four is generate report. This is what it will do, and this tells Claude exactly what to do after the skill has been activated. So, like in short, its main job was to tell what to do after the skill has been activated. Okay, so in short, if you want to remember what it means, front matter you can understand as a receptionist, and you can understand markdown as an employee doing this work. Just for the example I am giving you. Okay, so what are the key takeaways that you need to completely take from this whole thing? See, point number one is like a skill teaches Claude a repeatable task. What is it meaning is we don't have to explain the same workflow repeatedly, because you see a lot of the time we don't have the time to do the same things, repeated work. Okay, so it will automate just by using the Claude skill. Okay, so point number one is this. Point number two is all about it's just a markdown file. It's no coding, no programming, no API required. Anyone who can write instruction can create a skills. Now this becomes a very important because see, those who can write the instruction, they can create the skill. So it doesn't need any coding, any programming, any APIs. So this is the best part that I think in this. Third one is front matters. Now, what it means, when should I use this skill? Think of it as a trigger. You can consider this as a trigger. Then the fourth point is like Markdown tells Claude, what should I do after loading the skills? This is actually workflow, actual workflow, I can say, right? So, yeah, to be honest, if I want to conclude the whole things, so what I can tell is, see, a Claude skill is a like a Claude skill is nothing more than a reusable instruction manually. I think instead of writing the same prompt repeatedly, we save our workflow in a skill.md file. The top section called the front matter tells Claude when to use the skill. The bottom section written in a markdown tells Claude how to complete the task. Okay, this makes Claude faster, more consistent, and much easier to use for the repeatable task. So this is what I just want to tell you, and I hope you understand the power of the Claude skill. So I hope you understand the whole things as I have shown the demo for you. So let me just give you the brief. Okay, how you have to completely go. Just for the revision, you have to go to the customize. You have to create your own skill. Okay, by giving the prompt. What, like, how can you add the skill? Just let me show you. Here you have to like you see the option add write skill. Okay, and you have to fill this thing according to your convenient, like what skill name you have to give. You can give the weekly status report, it can be anything. Okay, then you have to simply click on the generate button by just doing this thing. Here it is, you can see. Okay, so I'm just giving you the quick things that how can you completely do this thing. So if I click on this, then I can analyze any. Here is my one website. If I want to analyze its SEO, like all the things are completely or not, so I can completely go and I can do the things. So I think the Claude has made the works very easier for us. Okay, so yeah, that's all from my side. See you in the next video. If you still have any question related to the Claude skill, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, and yeah, do share with this video to one of your friend who want to automate their work. Okay, see you in the next video.